Hello there, welcome to this video of this George microwave. We will see how it performs. I put that properly. So it's the rice pudding. Right. Yo! Yubba dubba doob doob. It all looks as if it's working properly. Well, it's supposed to be less than a minute, this video. This is going to be a problem. Because in order to put an advert on Facebook, I think the video needs to be less than a minute. Aha! So we need to get so... So we got 50... we're never going to do it. We're not going to do it. I'll do another video. Yabba dabba doob doob. 12. The next video I'll do one like half a minute or something. That way I'll be able to get the advert on. But this one's... So we'll just let it, we'll wait until it, just to prove that it's working. Every eats a pudding. Look at the pictures while we're waiting. Bing! Bing! Yeah! Delicious! Oh, look at that! Oh, yes! Very tasty! Let's have a try some. I'll go off mittens. So there you go. George microwave. Good working order. It's a cracker and it's easy to use. Please like, share and subscribe. From Mittens and me, goodbye.